The creepy-crawly Prowler 820 and 830 robotic in-ground pool cleaners are the ultimate in performance and convenience. Simply plug Prowler 820 in and off it goes. The eco-friendly Prowler 820 scrubs, vacuums, and filters most pools in just 3 hours. Its convenient filter cartridge is quick and easy to clean. Equipped with auto reverse, steps, corners, and ladders aren't an obstacle for Prowler 820. Superior swivel design helps prevent the cable from tangling for unimpeded cleaning. The Prowler 830 takes robotic cleaning one step further, allowing you to schedule cleanings even while you're away. Featuring a wireless remote, it lets you change the cleaning program and override automatic cleaning modes for spot cleanups. Finally, a convenient storage caddy makes storage between cleanings fast and easy. With a complete lineup of innovative pool cleaners, Pentair means more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning it.